Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials so updates can run, check available storage and free at least 100 MB. Ensure Wi-Fi is stable or use cellular with a strong signal. Once done, sign into the correct App Store account and confirm payment or subscription status so downloads aren't blocked. Make sure automatic updates and background app refresh are enabled for faster processing. If not, toggle them now and wait for the store to refresh its app list before proceeding. You will now tackle sync problems that stop updates. First, force quit the App Store and reopen it to refresh cached data. If the store has a cache clear option, use it. Once done, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset networking stacks. If updates still fail, update the device OS because store updates often require matching platform versions. Make sure to check server status pages or outage reports if multiple users are affected. Then retry downloads. You finish with advanced recovery steps to restore updates quickly. If a single app fails, export its data and uninstall, then reinstall it from the store. That clears corrupted update states. Once done, consider a network settings reset if nothing else works. Remember, this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords. As a last step, collect error messages or device logs and contact support or the app developer, providing log speeds diagnosis. If you're a developer, use console debug output to pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.